listen to the wisdom of the elders and the old timers. They drop gems of knowledge like coal miners. I'm a diamond in the rough, wise words cut glass. 28, so my life's a rough draft. Yo, I play a little chess to relieve a little stress. The game helps me think about what move to make next. For my life is over, man, I'm trying to overstand. Take a walk through the park, keep up, I know you can. I live my life like a walk in the park. I take it as it comes, change thoughts in the heart, shine light. So many lost in the dark, then they wonder why the world starts falling apart. I live my life like a walk in the park. I take it as it comes, change thoughts in the heart, shine light. So many lost in the dark, then they wonder why the world starts falling apart. So much beauty in this life that we live in. Take it all in, the best advice I could give you. So much to learn with such little time. Find your passion. For me, it's crafting a rhyme or just kick your back, relax and recline. No fan, watch a ball game, passing the time. You can make a lot of money at your place of employment, but at that pace, you have no time to enjoy it. Your wife will be lonely, the son will say you miss you. Stacking all them chips, but you can't take it with you. So what's the point, man? I guess I'm not understanding it. Chasing after wealth, but love is magnanimous. Spend days with your sons and daughters. Your time is worth more than them quarters and dollars. Invest in their future, it's better than stock. This life will fade away, but forever will not. We gotta get it right before we're older, man. Take a walk through the park, keep up, I know